Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I am back with another episode of Podcast with Hassan Akram. Today, I have a very interesting guest. Her name is Sarah Khan. She is a passionate marketing, academic, and industry professional with expertise in marketing, management, and strategic growth. Thank you so much, Sarah Khan, for taking out some time and being a part of my show. How are you?
Thank you for inviting me. Alhamdulillah. All good.
Okay, Sarah, you have spent 15 years in teaching and academic leadership. What originally drew you to marketing and education?
Hassan, putting it in simple terms, मेरी जो transition from student life to academia थी,
Mm-hmm.
या teaching थी, it was very natural. I was doing my masters and was offered an instructor's role, took it up as a challenge to see what it brings to the table, and honestly, I absolutely loved it. It was me kind of teaching, guiding, mentoring around 40, 45 students. And it gave me a sense of kind of accomplishment or achievement or fulfillment, you'd put it. And that is how it started.
Right. So you are passionate about it, and that's why you have
Yes.
pursued this field, right? Okay,
Yes.
that's good. I think whenever you have passion for something, you always do wonders in that field. I'm a firm believer of that, and passion is something which takes you to another level. So that's good to know. Okay.
Yes.
So looking back at your journey from a student to assistant professor at FAST, what has shaped you the most as an educator?
I think my interaction or experiences with students in the process. अगर
Mm-hmm.
हम इसको मतलब बज़ाहिर we think academia is a teacher coming into class teaching what 40 students and going. I personally think is it's a very different experience, not something that any normal individual would experience. Why so? Because फिर वही वाली बात जैसे आपने कहा कि पैशन है तो वाकई पैशन है. It is my I personally think that my interaction with the student is in class is not only teaching the course that I've been assigned, but it has more to do with building those individuals to be better people. um,
I see.
और उसमें कहाँ ethics, morals, rights and wrongs, and it's a very interesting process, if I'd put it in words.
I think it's more like what I see is that it's more like even education, being an educationist or even being a leader. I think it's more like uh, you are a parent to those children. You
Yes,
groom them from scratch. You understand their needs. You understand their emotions, and I
yes.
think it's more like a parenting. I would say, right?
ऑब्वियसली ऑब्वियसली और पता है हम नॉर्मली एक टर्म अब बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हैं मेंटोरिंग की.
Yeah.
आई थिंक इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मेंटोरिंग एंड कोचिंग. So, mentoring is a politer way of kind of guiding them through the process. But coaching
Hmm.
mein kahin you have to, tell them they're wrong and, guide them accordingly. And when it comes to our uh, latest generations that are coming up, the dynamics are very different.
So shed some more light on dynamics, like what is different in the current education system as well as the Gen Z era, and what was different when we were students.
Acha, I think when we were students, things were a lot simpler.
Hmm.
I think the competition in the industry was not that much either. However, अब आकर आई दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल पर्सपेक्टिव कि बच्चों के लिए चीज़ें मुश्किल होती जा रही हैं. For the better maybe, because they have a lot more competition. The life or their processes are changing very very quickly. So coping up with them, उनके लिए भी मुश्किल तो है. ये कहना कि their life is easier because they have things accessible to them, I think they have their own share of problems.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah. I think with time, technology is changing, people are changing.
gee,
I think at the end of the day, even as a millennials, we have to adapt to all those changes and
yes, yes,
cope up with the
yes,
current time. So that's really important,
yes.
right? Um, in terms of since we have a lot of AI stuff happening and a lot of tools are available for students, what do you think in terms of their creativity and the ability to self learn or self design stuff that has been compromised? I would say so. How do you see that as an educator?
अच्छा डिपेंड करता है डिपेंड इस लिहाज से करता है कि आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन यू से दैट क्रिएटिविटी इज़ हिंडर्ड बिकॉज नाउ दे प्रॉम्प्टिंग एआई एंड एआई इज़ डूइंग थिंग्स फॉर देम बट कहीं ना कहीं हम एज एजुकेटर्स नीड टू गाइड देम थ्रू द प्रोसेस कि वो प्रॉम्प्टिंग भी क्रिएटिवली होगी कुछ कोई ब्रेन चाइल्ड कोई आइडिया कोई ऐसी चीज़ होगी जिसकी बेसिस के ऊपर वो उसको बिल्ड करेंगे
Hmm.
सिमिलरली एआई की इंटीग्रेशन से अगर थोड़ा सा और एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव में देखूं तो अब आकर बच्चों के अंदर एंटरप्रेन्योरियल ड्राइव भी बहुत ज़्यादा है दे वांट टू मेक थिंग्स डू
Okay.
थिंग्स ऑन देयर ओन ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता जा रहा है वक्त के साथ साथ विच इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज ए आई इज़ काइंड ऑफ फैसिलिटेटिंग देम और गाइडिंग देम थ्रू द प्रोसेस बट वो जो खुद की ड्राइव है टू बी मोर क्रिएटिव टू डू समथिंग ऑफ देयर ओन विच इज़ देयर चाइल्ड वाली चीज़ वो चीज़ बढ़ती जा रही है तो दैट इज़ आई पर्सनली थिंक दैट इज़ समथिंग
That
गुड
is true.
हाउ एवर ethics वाली चीज़ जो when it comes to AI and its ethical use is something that needs to be thought upon on very important. So this is my perspective
Agreed.
to it.
100% agreed with you. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So you recently, I think, completed your PhD in marketing. What did that journey teach you personally beyond the degree itself?
Acha. When I say PhD completed, Alhamdulillah, for me as a woman
Naturally.
in her career with a family life and everything,
Hmm.
PhD is a different ballgame. PhD requires a lot of consistency, a lot of persistence, a lot of grit. And that is the key. क्योंकि it takes there have been phases in my PhD journey where you realize that there are a lot of people who are supporting you, guiding you, your family, your colleagues, your friends, and so forth, and your mentors and your teachers and everybody. But there are certain rooms that you have to enter alone, and you have to defend yourself alone, and that in itself is different. So it's good, Alhamdulillah.
Right. And I think, yeah, without support, I think I asked you the question the other day when we were in Fast University that why are we here in this world? And you gave me the answer that we are here to support each other. So I think your
Yes.
journey, we're doing PhD and all that, वहाँ पे भी आपको लोगों की support मिली and people supported you. I think
Absolutely.
दुनिया में जितने
Absolutely.
भी हम काम करते हैं, we need a support system. Otherwise, अकेले हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. दुनिया में आते हैं अकेले, जाते हैं अकेले, लेकिन when we're here, we need a support definitely. Continue from here. I've never stopped the recording, so yeah. I can ask the next question. So you've taught everything from marketing management and branding to sales management and consumer behavior. Which subject do students connect with most deeply today, and why?
I personally think basic marketing and then branding for the reason that basic marketing gives you basic outlines of how your journey should begin as a marketer. So it talks about the four P's, maybe SWOT analysis, मतलब basic marketing management की चीज़ें. However, branding talks about मैंने कहा कि entrepreneurial वाली drive बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चों के अंदर branding their businesses या their products is something that interests them more from logo designing to color schemes to what objects they need to use how they need to go about making their taglines maybe so वो उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा interesting होता है सो ब्रांडिंग एंड देन
Right,
अब डिजिटल आ गया है तो डिजिटल मीडिया और उसमें ब्रांडिंग तो आई थिंक दीज टू सब्जेक्ट्स प्राइमरली
right. Acha, the software is telling me you have Riverside open on other tabs. If you can close one of them, not this one. Do you see this software open in multiple tabs?
अच्छा कहीं लोड हो रहा था मैंने इसलिए बंद नहीं किया शुड आई क्लोज इट
Yeah, क्योंकि वो, yeah, I think we're good now. It started uploading here again. You're good. Perfect, perfect. Right. Um, as someone who has, let's talk about some leadership aspect of your journey. As someone who has mentored major students initiatives and 90 plus events, what do you think students learn outside the classroom that they can never fully learn inside it.
Acha. When you talk about these events, these are campus level events generally that I have kind of looked after for the past 2 years. I've had the opportunity to do so. I personally think what the student learns outside the class is something that they can probably never learn inside the class. So, leadership skills, interacting with people from different backgrounds, different degree programs, maybe, and then people management, and then crisis management, and then negotiation skills. ये वाले इवेंट्स जो है ना, ये बहुत सारे डिफरेंट एंड्स के ऊपर बच्चों को एक्सपीरियंस देते हैं. तो व्हेन आई नॉर्मली सजेस्ट समथिंग टू माय स्टूडेंट्स, आई जनरली से कि बेटे वो जो क्लास के प्रोजेक्ट्स या क्लास की चीज़ें हैं वो तो हैं. कोशिश करें कि एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में सच एज दीज इवेंट्स ज़रूर पार्टिसिपेट करें. लाइफ देते हैं,
Yeah.
तरह बात करनी है आपने. एक टीम में 10-15 ही हैं, सो द बिहेवियर एंड द इंटरेक्शन इज एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट.
I have a very question in my mind from a long time. So, आप जो भी पढ़ाते हो, I think the curriculum is old. I'm not sure how frequently we update the curriculum. So let's say एक traditional marketing का तरीका था 10 साल पहले. I'm not sure if we are still teaching students the same method of doing different stuff, but things have changed, times have changed, technology have changed. So, do you think जो old school या old जो education या curriculum चल रहा है, do you think that has revamped, or we are still teaching students the old stuff, the old bookish stuff?
आई वुड फ्रेज इट एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंटली.
Okay,
कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो फाउंडेशन कोर्सेज हैं,
right.
वो हम उसे कहें, बेशक कहें कि वो पुराने हैं या वो स्टैंडर्ड पैटर्न्स हैं, लेकिन वो स्टैंडर्ड पैटर्न्स सिर्फ फर्स्ट ईयर में कहीं ना कहीं बेसलाइन बिल्ड करने के लिए चाहिए होते हैं.
Okay,
उसके
okay,
बाद चीज़ें बहुत इवॉल्व करती हैं. जैसे फॉर
right.
इंस्टेंस मार्केटिंग एनालिटिक्स, मार्केटिंग की बात कर लूँ तो
Hmm.
मार्केटिंग एनालिटिक्स, डिजिटल मीडिया मार्केटिंग, सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग, प्रोडक्ट, कॉन्टेक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट मार्केटिंग, बहुत सारी चीज़ें आगे फेजेस में आती हैं. लेकिन जो बेसिक वाला कोर्स है ना, वो वो कहीं ना कहीं ज़रूरी होता है टू बिल्ड अ स्टैंडर्ड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द ग्राउंड लेवल्स, जिसके ऊपर चीज़ें आगे भी बिल्ड होती हैं. फॉर इंस्टेंस एग्जांपल अगर ले लें तो डिजिटल मीडिया ने आपके कंज्यूमर का पर्सपेक्टिव या कंज्यूमर की इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत ज़्यादा कर दी है, जो कि स्टैंडर्ड नहीं होती थी. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, कहीं ना कहीं अभी भी कंपनी सेगमेंट तो कर ही रही हैं ना, टारगेट्स तो आइडेंटिफाई कर ही रही हैं कि किस कस्टमर को किस चीज़ के साथ पिच करना है. तो वो बेसलाइन तो सेम है.
And how frequently do you think के curriculum update हो रहा है?
अच्छा, हो रहा है. आई थिंक वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली. हर कोर्स में कहीं ना कहीं हम अच्छी से, इफ़ आई लाइक टू, इफ़ यू अलाउ मी टू नेम अ
Right.
फ्यू, हार्वर्ड की, आईवी के केसेस, आर्टिकल्स सब पढ़ा रहे होते हैं, डिस्कस कर रहे होते हैं. तो वी आर एट पेस विद व्हाट
Okay.
इज हैपनिंग.
That's good to know, because I think when we were studying, when we were at university time, I think मुझे लगता था उस time इतना चीज़ें evolve उस time खैर हो रही थी. We have seen everything through our eyes, but अभी चीज़ें are very fast paced and different. So it's a good thing to know that things have changed and things have evolved. That's good to know. You were the first female convener of NASCON flagship event. What did that leadership experience mean to you, and what barriers did you have to overcome at that time?
Acha, that's also a very interesting question. Yes, I was offered the position and I took it, thinking of it as initially I probably did not know what I was getting into, but once you kind of step into it, you realize that it's a totally different ball game.
Mhm.
NASCON is Fast News's Islamabad campus का flagship event. It
Okay.
and kind of वही वाली बात है कि जितना आप बड़ा करना चाहें, the
Yeah.
management always supports you in that regard.
Yep.
So we did a pretty big NASCON last year,
Mm-hmm.
2026. And then again, हर जर्नी में कहीं न कहीं, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट चाहिए होती है, क्योंकि नास्कॉन एक ऐसा इवेंट है जो अक्रॉस ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स अक्रॉस द यूनिवर्सिटी होता है। तो इट्स नॉट focused on management sciences in particular. There are computer
Okay.
science and engineering and सारी फील्ड्स के इवेंट्स हो रहे होते हैं. सो इट वाज अ टोटली न्यू एक्सपीरियंस. आई don't think I faced a lot of barriers because I had a lot of support. So barriers, though, I wouldn't say they were there, but जर्नी बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग थी, क्योंकि आप 600 बच्चों की टीम के साथ डिफरेंट कंपनीज के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं, तो इट इज़ डिफरेंट, बट इट्स नाइस.
Nice, nice. When you lead large platforms like NASCON, how do you balance structure, ambition, and people management under pressure?
I think you always find people who are there to kind of be there with you. So it's never a one man show. It is always a team activity. You're obviously leading a team, but team hoti hai. So you have, say, if for instance I was leading the team, so I had a team of faculty who were there to support, guide, help, in the journey. And then we had a team of executive council, and then we had a student body that was working. So kahin na kahin, the input from every level plays a significant role in shaping you for decision making. But then again, decisions बहुत सारी जगह जो हैं वो इकट्ठे मिल के भी हम कर रहे होते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं होता कि कोई one last statement होती है. It's always a team effort.
Team effort. And how do you handle pressure? Like, अगर बहुत ज़्यादा pressure हो गया और चीज़ें सही नहीं जा रही, everything is chaotic. So how do you keep yourself composed and calm in that
अच्छा,
situation?
Hassan, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. I have not faced any such situation so
Okay.
far.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah. और शायद इसका क्रेडिट ना मेरे मेंटोर्स को जाता है, फॉर द रीज़न कि मेरे मेंटोर्स जिनसे मैंने सीखा, उनसे मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज होना सीखा. So I personally think how organized you are kind of makes a difference. Because जितने आप
Right.
organized होते हैं ना, आपको थोड़ा सा प्लान ए प्लान बी तैयार होता है. तो कुछ गड़बड़ हो भी तो प्लान बी होता है.
True.
सो
True. I think pressure handling is also a skill set, or I think how to be emotionally intelligent these days is very important. Sadly, we a lot of people don't have this skill set. बहुत से लोग बहुत जल्दी react कर लेते हैं चीज़ों को, but emotional intelligence is something which is very important, specifically जहाँ पे बहुत chaotic चीज़ें हो रही हैं and things are going
अच्छा,
against your will.
कौन की ही एक बात करते हैं.
Okay,
We were all prepared for a concert and it started
okay.
raining.
Oh, okay.
Something that none of us can control. And वो handling things under pressure because kids are waiting in the, for you to start entering them in the venue, and it starts raining. So वहाँ फिर कहीं ना कहीं आप थोड़ा सा you get a reality check कि certain things are under your control regardless of plan A, B, C, and certain things are just not under your control.
How did you
So
manage then?
we managed, alhamdulillah. We managed.
Okay.
The
I think
celebrity that came
recently
in was very kind
Begi and
enough.
Dosti ka
He
bhi
said,
alumni homecoming. Okay.
"Acha."
Okay. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead. I think there's a lag. Go ahead. I'm listening to you.
So celebrity भी बड़े सच्ची बात ये है कि he was very kind. He said, "We'll wait for the rain to end and then we'll start." Alhamdulillah, we started. He said कि आप परेशान ना हो. तो वो बड़ी support हो गई थी तो मैंने कहा ना कहीं
Yeah.
support हो जाती है. Alhamdulillah.
I say, yeah, I think when there is a will, there's always a way. The support system is always there. Good. I like that. So your research touches marketing, consumer behavior, ethical consumption, innovation, and customer engagement. What big question are you most obsessed with right now?
AI. And
Okay.
how AI is kind of integrating into our systems, particularly academia, and how
Mm-hmm.
our उसमें टीचर्स का क्या रोल है, बच्चों का क्या रोल है. सो वे आर लेटेस्ट रिसर्च इज ऑन समवट ऑन दीज लाइन्स. सो AI and then अब नई टर्म एजेंटिक एआई आना शुरू हो गई है, सो वी आर लुकिंग
I
आउट
see.
फॉर थिंग्स ऑन दीज लाइन्स.
I think my next question is similar to this one. So you have supervised students with around AI, chatbots, and consumer marketing. How do you see AI changing the future of marketing, education, and practice?
Acha, AI is changing practice significantly
Mm-hmm.
when it comes to marketing in particular. AI has changed worldwide तो ज़्यादा हम एज पाकिस्तान थोड़ा सा कुछ साल पीछे जा रहे हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं वी आर कोपिंग अप विद थिंग्स प्रिटी क्विकली. Moreover, abhi recently I had the privilege of attending a conference in which थोड़ी सी we had discussions on business schools in the era of AI and how we as business schools need to kind of evolve, change, improve with time ताकि
Mm-hmm.
हम pace up कर सकें with the changing trends because of AI. So yes,
Mm-hmm.
uh, that's pretty much how we're looking at things.
So, have you decided, or yeah, overall education system ने decide किया to inculcate use of AI in curriculum? Yeah, you want to keep it away from the curriculum part?
No, 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 no. AI is here to stay.
Mm-hmm.
All of us know this. There is no denial. And we
Mm-hmm.
are working on the lines of integrating AI into academics.
Yeah, we cannot deny the fact कि ये अब आ चुका है. वही बात है, इसके दूर भागना is not the solution. हाँ, how students can use it efficiently जिससे उनको भी फायदा हो and they can be more creative with something which is the need of the time.
Yes.
Right. In your view, what makes marketing research truly useful for business case rather than academically interesting?
अच्छा, इसके ऊपर भी मेरा बड़ा I have a different perspective. I think that
Okay.
we as academia need to start working a lot more closely with industry. कहीं ना कहीं,
Mm-hmm.
you being in the industry would kind of, I don't know, second me on this, but there is somewhat a gap between industry and academia. We need
Yes.
to bridge that gap, and that gap needs to be bridged from both the ends. So it's not, it can never be a one sided story. So वो कहीं ना कहीं जितना जल्दी या जितना efficiently अच्छे तरीके से होगा, मेरा
Mm-hmm.
ख्याल ये है कि बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क पड़ेगा. सो इंडस्ट्री को थोड़ा सा एकेडेमिया को ऑन बोर्ड लेकर, फॉर इंस्टेंस प्रोजेक्ट्स हो गए, मेंटोरशिप हो गई, ये चीज़ें करनी चाहिए. एंड सिमिलरली एकेडेमिया को भी इंडस्ट्री के साथ काम करना चाहिए ऑन सर्टन प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट दे कैन काइंड ऑफ हेल्प फैसिलिटेट इन द प्रोसेस.
I think someone was telling me the other day when I was in their university का homecoming में, teacher told me that it's not a compulsion, but अभी एक initiative शुरू किया चीज़ ने where teachers को भी summers में
Yes.
internship कराई जा रही है to bridge that industry gap, right?
Yes, and I have had the privilege of going to Telenor a long time
Okay,
back
right.
as faculty placement, faculty industry placement. So
I see.
वो अच्छा रहा था. Yes,
And is it being adopted by universities happily? अभी इस पे slow है conversion
नहीं
rate
नहीं
या
नहीं,
अभी लोग इस पे?
happily.
Okay, okay. And it's not compulsory for teachers at the moment, right?
No, it's a voluntary thing. So anyone who's willing to kind of go in the industry during summers is more than kind of facilitated to do so.
Do you think we should make it mandatory?
Depends, because universities are generally not closed during summers. We have our research and other work going
I see.
along.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
और अब क्योंकि स्टूडेंट इंटर्नशिप्स मैंडेटरी हो गई हैं, तो इंडस्ट्री के लिए स्पेस निकालना फॉर स्टूडेंट्स एंड फैकल्टी, आई डोंट नो हाउ feasible that's going to be.
Hmm. Okay. And being a female in education and leadership, do you see women facing challenges in terms of being a leader and an educationist, or is it not the case in education system?
I think personally, from my experience, I think it's not a case in academia in particular. Academia is a very different field.
Hmm.
there is obviously a certain level of competition and whatnot, but I think women in academia are very well placed, and I think I don't see any problems over there.
Good to know. Okay. What advice would you give to women pursuing leadership roles in academia, especially while balancing personal and professional responsibilities?
I personally think that women can do whatever they want to do. Um, what they require या what they should have the most is एक विल पावर, दूसरा
Okay.
कंसिस्टेंसी, तीसरा पॉजिटिव perspective to things. I think all of these apply to both genders for the reason that you have to have anyone. अच्छा, if I put it this way and I say कि हर किसी को एक certain level के ऊपर opportunities मिलती हैं, किसी को ज़्यादा किसी
Hmm.
को कम. I would
Hmm.
strongly, and I tell this to my students too, be it boys, be it girls, try and avail any and every opportunity that you get. It will teach you something. And in that process, you will learn what to do and what not to do. और उससे आपका एक सर्टन स्किल सेट डेवलप होता है, जो आप काइंड ऑफ जिसके ऊपर आप बिल्ड करते हैं अपना आप. सो I don't know if you look at yourself, for instance, 10 years back, and you look at yourself now, you are a different person. You've groomed over the years. And so I tell this to my,
Absolutely.
all those people I interact with, try and be a better version of yourself, and things work out.
I think failure is never a failure, it's an experience you get and learn out of that experience and apply again and be a better version of yourself, as you said.
Or
So,
Hassan, it is all about perspective, as I earlier said. You are
true,
looking at
true,
it very positively, ना कि failure है
true,
तो आपने उससे सीखा. This is
true.
something that needs to be in everyone's system. कि failure है तो कोई मसला नहीं, हमने उससे सीखा और हम एक बेहतर version of ourselves बने या evolve किए.
But I think the way I say it, अगर मैं Gen Zs की बात करूँ, because they're very short tempered. I've been interacting with them a lot. They have a very short attention span. So if there is a failure, they always react to that immediately और बहुत chaotic हो जाता है सारा कुछ. तो I think इस पे as a student, sorry, as a teacher, or we as industry expert, I think we should educate them how to be composed and calm in these situations and see that as a positive thing to learn from rather than a negative thing. But it's not easy to take everything positively in this current times. But yeah,
Agree.
it requires a lot of attention and
Yes.
mentoring to help them understand that it's okay to be. Okay, then it's okay to be embarrassed sometimes. Yeah, right. So you clearly invest a lot in mentoring students. What is one transformation in student that makes you feel your work is truly worthwhile?
बहुत सारी दफ़ा I have had the opportunity to teach students in their first semesters and then in their last semesters, and then somewhere in the middle too. And बहुत सारी दफ़ा ये भी नज़र आता है कि जो पहले सेमेस्टर में चीज़ें बताई थीं या समझाई थीं या कहीं गाइड किया था, वो चीज़ इवॉल्व की ओवर द ईयर्स. तो आखिरी सेमेस्टर में वो एवोल्यूशन पहले नज़र आती है. और फिर बहुत सारी दफ़ा ये मेरे आपसे जब इंटरेक्शन हुआ था इन पर्सन भी, तो मैंने आपसे ज़िक्र किया था कि बच्चे डिग्री लेके चले जाते हैं, एंड 3 years, 4 years, 6 months डाउन द रोड, अ रैंडम टेक्स्ट मैसेज सेइंग आज ये हुआ तो आपकी ये वाली बात याद आई. मेरे लिए आई थिंक दैट्स अ सोर्स ऑफ फुलफिलमेंट कि
It is.
एक टेक अवे अच्छा लेकर गए. सो दैट्स pretty much it.
I think ये वाली जो आपने चीज़ बताई है ना, I can relate to that because when I was a manager in one of the company and I used to teach certain stuff in the idle time, तो I think 2-3 साल के बाद मुझे भी एक मैसेज आया था LinkedIn पे कि this is what you have taught me at that time and guess where I am right now. So it gives you a lot of happiness. अब words में शायद
Yeah.
explain नहीं कर सकते. It has another level of happiness, but I totally agree
शायद
with
उस
you. Yes.
आपके लिए it's a big takeaway कि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह something
I think
achieved.
आप छोटे किसी की लाइफ में छोटी सी भी वैल्यू ऐड करते हो ना तो it gives you a lot of happiness. So when students leave your classroom, what is the one mindset you hope stays with them for life?
Um, that you should evolve as a person.
Mm-hmm.
Failure has nothing to do with where you will end up in life.
Mm-hmm.
And persistence or consistency is the key.
100%. 100%. If you could redesign business education for the next decade, what would you change first?
Um, आई थिंक एक दो तीन चीज़ें जो चेंज
Mm-hmm.
कर सकते हैं या इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। एक
Mm-hmm.
टेक्नोलॉजी इंटीग्रेशन, जिस स्पेस पर बढ़
Mm-hmm.
रही है उस स्पेस पर। दूसरा, क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी इंटीग्रेशन बढ़ रही है, इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा इवॉल्व कर रही हैं। So, for
Right.
instance, we have business analytics, we have fintech. These are certain things that are evolving. So, and these are a combination of technology and management. सो ये वाली चीज़। और आखिरी चीज़ बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट, इंडस्ट्री एकेडेमिया कोलैबोरेशन, समथिंग दैट
Hmm.
नीड्स टू बी मैच्ड।
Right. I totally agree with all these changes. What kind of legacy do you hope to leave as a teacher, researcher, or a mentor?
I would want to be remembered as somebody kids would kind of could go back to, look up to for help, guidance, anywhere and everywhere, in every phase of life. So I would want them to kind of not think before calling, texting for guidance or help or direction. So that's
Nice. I have some fire rapid questions for you. Coffee or a tea?
coffee.
Why?
Because I think it is, it, how do I put it? It is different. Not everybody likes coffee.
I like coffee too, so yeah. Okay, good. If you're if there's a movie revolves around your life, what would be the name of the movie?
Interesting. आपने लाइफ मूवी एज इन मूवी की बात की, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट केम टू माई माइंड वॉज परसूट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस।
Okay.
लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इट डजंट अप्लाई टू मी, बट द मूवी इटसेल्फ आई थिंक इट्स अ
It's
डिफरेंट,
amazing. Yeah, it teaches you a lot of good lessons. Yeah,
teaches you a lot. Yes, yes. So
right. Um, I think that's pretty much it. Last question, then we'll call it a day. For someone listening today who is feeling stuck in their own journey, what would you want them to remember from yours?
that life is a journey. It has its
Mm-hmm.
ups and downs.
Mm-hmm.
And as they say, this too shall pass. So good days pass and bad days pass. The only difference is that we remember the bad days more than the good days. We need to start looking at things positively,
Mm-hmm.
and we need to look, and we need to understand that this too shall pass.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much, Sarah, for
Thank you.
amazing insights on education system and about your journey. Overall, I thoroughly enjoyed the conversation, and inshallah, we'll have such
Likewise.
conversations in future too. Thank you
Inshallah.
so much, and
Thank you.
inshallah, I'll see you soon. You can stay.